Hello, American farmers. My name is Arūnas Juškys and I come from Lithuania, Europe. Our company is called Mototecha and I'm the director. Today I would like to introduce our products that became very popular around already the world, and finally we are here in the United States. We specialize in mobile milking equipment. So here we have brought 4 versions of mobile milking parlors, starting from the smallest, which is 2-place mobile milking parlor for the smallest farmer. Then another type of 2-place milking parlor already that is using a stainless steel milk tank with semi-automatic washing. Then the bigger version of 4-place milking parlor, which is a little bit more modern, with milk, vacuum and washing line. Also it has a milk room, we could call it a cabinet. And finally we have the complete milking solution of 6-place with milk room and a trailer which has complete cooling, automatic washing, and everything that's needed for milking parlor. So let's start from the most simple parlor, which consists of the parlor itself, which is totally mobile. You could hook up this parlor on your any kind of Jeep type vehicle, and it's built on hydraulic chassis, so you can lower it and lift it up very easily just using these 2 hydraulic jacks. This way it takes only half of a minute to get to lift it up, and then you just lower it down. This parlor goes together with 2 milking buckets, units, and a mobile milking trolley, which is also somewhat special because it has 2 motors, a gasoline motor engine or 220 volts Italian made vacuum pump together with electric motor. This is simple. Your cows get from this side. This is a tandem type parlor, so your cow comes in here, you close the gate, you put the cow. There is some, I don't have a shovel, some concentrate as a treat, and after you milk, you let it out through this gate. Same on the other side. Many would complain that this parlor has no pit, so it's hard to work in it, which is not true. I thought we made even better. When you work, you sit, so you are totally safe, and you put your unit on a cow like this, sitting, so it's very easy and convenient. On the other side, the same. So, and whenever you're finished, you just hook up here. Okay. And let's go to the next level. This is, let's call it the first level. So we have come up with the next level. It's also the same size, but the advantage of it, it's much easier to work in it because you don't have the buckets. the milk goes through this milk line directly to the stainless steel milk tank, which means that you don't have to carry buckets. You just sit here, let the milk cows in and out, and just change the milking units. This is much easier work. Also, it has semi-automatic washing system. So if you bring some water, so if you put these milking units with a bucket of water, then let's disconnect this milk hose from the milk tank, connect with the washing device. This, let's put this over here somewhere that doesn't shake that much. Okay, and here in this cabinet we have our semi-automatic washing device, which is invented also in our company. Well, let's start. And let's see what we got. Okay, here our units are being washed like this. The units are sucking the water into the milk line, and then the water travels through the hose and to our semi-automatic washing device, which returns the water to the bucket. Let's take a look at how intense it is. Closes the vacuum and releases the water back to the bucket. After you do your pre-wash, you want this wastewater to dump it into your wastewater dish. And it will empty this bucket and return the dish. Then the second cycle is you pour your fresh hot water with some detergent in it. Then you put this back and run for a few minutes around the water with detergent. And then again you dump it. Okay, so, and this is the way washing is being done. After you are about finished, we can run through the sponge the empty hoses of water. I take here this, put the sponge in, So washing is finished. Off the power, and let's see where did this our sponge get into. It should be here. Yes, it's here. Well, we have clean and dry hoses. Yes, and we are ready to go home. But then at home we empty the tank to your cooling tank and the milking process is over. The other parlor is 4-place milking parlor, tandem type again, mobile, the same way, but it has already a sorting gate that is being managed from each milking place, which makes a waiting area. You do it with an electric fence, and then you put a fence, electric fence, about 3 feet away from the gate, that when the cow, for example, you need a cow, first you open this gate, at the same time closing the path for the cows. You open the selection gate, the cow gets in, immediately you close it where other cows cannot go through. And here we have 4 milking systems. The washing system is being done pretty much the same as in the previous parlor. The only difference that here we have a water pipe and washing stations. The milk units are being washed using these milk washing stations. Also, this parlor has, of course, a bigger vacuum regulator and the cabinet for your equipment. After milking, usually you take your milking equipment and hang up here. This parlor has also the same kind of semi-automatic washing device that you can see here. It works the same way as in the parlor you saw before. For this parlor, we use already a bigger vacuum unit and usually bigger milk tank. Maybe just let's take a look. Here we have already diesel powered vacuum unit together with the vacuum pump that can be powered by electricity also, but it's more than double stronger than previous. Our European farmers like it diesel. It's more fuel economic, fuel efficient, and the motor is heavy duty, that used as professional machine. Here we have bigger tanks. This one is of 400 liters, or it would be about 100 gallon. We have them different sizes of them, starting from 50 gallon to 200 gallon without cooling. but they're all seamless, shiny inside and outside, which are very easily washed. Okay, and finally we come to the sixth place milking solution that takes the parlor and a trailer that has cooling unit, condensing unit, vacuum pump. Then if we look inside, we have two water tanks for hot and cold water, two sinks, a sewage tank or septic tank for wastewater, and we have a mobile, specially designed by Mototeja cooling tank. It is closed type, designed for moving, very strong frame, milk pump, and a complete laboratory, which means complete automatic washing system for the parlor and for the cooling tank. It takes itself the detergent, then the control box for cooling tank, control box for milking, washing, pre-washing, and taking out the milk pump. Everything is on 3-phase electricity, 220 American way. For the energy source, we have a mobile generator, which we wanted a little bit away to keep the noise away. So this trailer is being connected. When you come with the trailer to your pasture, the trailer gets connected to the parlor. This is washing pipe, vacuum pipe, milk hose, and water hose. These are the connections for controls inside, electric connections. This is the main power for milk pump, and this is the sensors, 12-volt lights, air injector inside for more efficient washing and all the works. So I believe we could call this trailer a milk room, mobile milk room. It has hard walls, easily washable, impervious floors that can be washed also. Everything that is needed in a regular milk room. This cooling tank is designed for pre-cooling. Of course, you can cool it down to 4 degrees Celsius or whatever it takes in Fahrenheit. While washing, all the wastewater doesn't get on the ground, but it goes back into that blue tank after you come back to your farm place, whatever you call it. You empty it to the septic tank. take a look. Here we have a washing process. The washing is very intense. One of the big features is this air injector that allows, that makes like water pistons that goes through the complete milk line. And here here inside we have a stainless steel receiving jar, milk pump, manual milk pump control, and stainless steel milk filter. The milk filters.